We prep our doors in-house for easy installation. Here, we show you how to install your Astragal. We add hinges to the other door and drill for your lock set. Now your doors arrive packed and ready for installation. Measure the top and bottom of your opening, making sure it is square. Install a ledger board 1 inch below your floor. Set the left door on the ledger board and move it all the way to the left. Screw hinges to your outside door stile. Set the right door on the ledger board and move it all the way to the right, allowing a 1/4 inch gap between the doors. Screw the right door to your outside door stile. Install the Astragal and barrel bolts per shed door installation guide. Then install your lock handle and add the back. Finally, remove the ledger board. Thanks for viewing our easy to install yourself shed doors. Visit us at sheddoorsinmore.com for more information.